Hi everyone, this is a walkthrough of CodeMentor AI, a project I built from scratch. I wanted a coding assistant that behaves like a premium version of ChatGPT but runs 100% locally and offline for complete privacy. It's built with React frontend, Tailwind CSS for styling, and a Python FastAPI backend. The AI engine is Llama 3, running completely offline via Olama, combined with a custom RAG Retrieval-Augmented Generation pipeline. We will run the project. First, I will running front end. Now we are running backend. We will keep Olama in background while we are running the website. Now I am redirecting to our website. Now I am asking a first question to my chatbot. I typed write a quick Python function to reverse a string. Because it is completely run on offline, I am turning off the Wi-Fi and click enter button. Now our chatbot will give the answer. It will start giving answer for our question. The UI is designed to be highly responsive and familiar. Notice the real-time server sent events SSC streaming. It does not wait for the whole answer. It types it out instantly. It gives feels like typing word by word. I have implemented this. It also stores our conversation in the AI memory, so we can ask follow-up questions. If so, now I am asking the follow-up question. I just mentioned give code for above question. In Java, so it will give the same function in Java without asking the question again. It will answers the follow-up questions. I also implemented system themes. We can change the background to dark mode or bright mode by simply clicking the this icon. Our chartbot is turned into dark bright theme, and now we again press the semi moon icon to turn it back into dark mode. I can also add two type of copy buttons. The first one is we can simply copy the code. The only code will be copy. If we want to copy the complete answer, we also copy the complete A answers. So we can decide what should we want to copy. And I also added a mic option. Explain how a hash map works in Java. And I click enter. So now will give answers. It detects text from our voice, so we can simply talk and ask question with this feature. When we scroll to the top of the chart and reaches the top end, we can simply click the down mark arrow symbol, and we get instantly get back to the bottom. Now I will show like this. When I click this arrow, it will take us to the bottom of the chart instantly. This is also one of the feature. I can also add the file upload option. The chatbot will understand the file and give answers. Now we will add files through this option, or we can simply drag and drop the file we want to this chatbot, and the chatbot will analyze the file and give answers according to the file. This is one of the most wanted feature. Now I will attach the .md file and asks explain this. Now the chatbot will give explain the file. My Wi-Fi is completely turned off because this is offline chatbot. This completely works on offline, so there is no requirement to turn on the internet. So I keep internet turned off. My domain is coding, so it answers only coding questions. If we ask other questions unrelated to coding, if we ask unrelated questions of coding, it simply says ask coding questions, I will assist you. For example, I ask tell me the recipe of biryani and see what AI says. It simply rejects the question and says, I am designed primarily for Python and Java programming. Please ask programming related questions. And another best feature is by clicking this download button above our chart, we can simply download our entire chart, and we can save this chart in our laptop, or if we want to send anyone, we can simply share the downloaded chart. This option allows us to download the entire chart by simply clicking this option. And another best features are we can simply go to our past charts or recent charts and click them to open, and we can check the entire chart, and if we want to continue from there, we want to continue the chart from there, and we can also able to delete the unwanted charts by just simply clicking the delete button, and we can also able to rename our charts by clicking the edit icon. If we hover our cursor to the chart, these options will be appear, and our chart is saved with our new name. By clicking on profile, we can delete all conversations at once. And another excellent feature was practice quiz. By using this option, we can select from Python or Java two options, and we can also select the difficulty from maximum 5 to minimum 1. We can select our chosen difficulty and select question type, multiple choice or code writing, and start quiz now. So now our AI will start the quiz for us. It will start asking our first question. We don't need to enter the full option. We can simply click the option letter like A or B or C or D. I can simply enter the B, and it will take the answer. Like this, it asks all questions and takes our answers, and at final it will gives the overview and improvements suggestions. I am fast forwarding now. It stores my all answers and it will give the suggestions. I intentionally put two wrong answers, so to check how the it suggests improvements, and this is the final report of our quiz. And when in our new chart there are four suggestions, it will suggest some topics. When we click on them, so the AI chatbot will instantly gives the answers. The entire code base is available on my GitHub. Thanks for watching.